Hi everyone, my name is KB and you're watching KB'Tech. In this video, I'm gonna unbox the Nokia's latest budget smartphone, that is the Nokia 5.1 Plus. I'm really super excited because it's my first Nokia device. So before I unbox this device, let me tell you about some specifications. This device comes up with MediaTek Helio P60 processor. Now you will say MediaTek, like seriously, but if I compare this processor with the other Qualcomm Snapdragon chipsets, whether it is 625 or 636, it is a very powerful processor. The reason behind it is it is a 12 nanometer chipset, while the other Snapdragon chipsets are 14 nanometer. Apart from this, it has 3 gigs of RAM, 32 GB internal memory, and it is an Android One device. So let's see the box. There are few features mentioned on the box. It has 13 plus 5 dual rear cameras, it has advanced AI imaging, and it comes with 19:9 HD plus display. There are two color variants available in this phone. One is black, one is blue. This is the black color variant. So let's unbox this device. So let's see what's inside the box. So here is our device. Let's keep it aside for a while. So here's the SIM ejection tool. Apart from this, we have some Nokia user manuals. Let's see what else inside the box. We have a charger. It's a 5-watt charger, not a turbo charger, but in this price you can expect a normal charger only. Apart from this, we have a type C cable, that's really appreciable, and a standard earphone set. Nothing else inside the box. Yeah. So let's unwrap this device. Usually I see screen protectors over the phone screens when I unbox the phones, but Nokia is doing something different. So thumbs up for that. It is very tightly packed. So here is our device. As you can see, there's a glass at the back, and honestly speaking, it looks very premium. If I talk about the price of this device, it cost around rupees 11,000, but you can avail few discounts during the Flipkart festive sales, just like I did. If I talk about the design of this device comes with 19:9 HD plus display, not full HD plus display. If you want full HD plus display, then you should go for Nokia 6.1 Plus. But this device comes with 720p resolution display, not full HD. If I talk about the cameras, it has a dual camera setup which consists of a primary sensor which is of 13 megapixel and a secondary sensor which is of 5 megapixel. Basically the secondary sensor is a depth sensor, and we have a fingerprint sensor mounted at the back. And here is our USB type C port and our speakers. On the right hand side of the phone we have the lock key and our volume rockers. On the top of the phone we have the 3.5 mm audio jack. On the left hand side there is a SIM card slot. Let's see whether it's a hybrid slot or a normal slot. Let's check. Unfortunately it's a hybrid slot, that is either you can use two SIM cards together or one SIM card or one SD card. So if you have two SIM cards, then you have to compromise with the storage. Apart from this, this device has 8 megapixel front facing camera, and there is a wide notch at the top. At the bottom we have a Nokia branding. So let's boot up this device. As the device is booted up, let's go to the setting and see how much storage is available for the use out of 32 GB. So approximately you get 22 GB out of 32 GB. You can expand the storage via SD card. As I told you, it's an Android One device, so you can see that only basic apps are pre-installed in this device. The various G apps like slides or sheets are missing from this device. Also, let's see whether there is an option to hide the notch or not. Let's go to the advanced setting. There is no option to hide the notch, but if you ask me, I personally like the notch, so there's no issue for me. I totally like it. If I talk about the Android version of this device comes with Android 8.1.0 out of the box, which is not the latest version of Android actually, but yeah, you can expect the Android Pie update soon for this device because it's an Android One device. Also, the Nokia 6.1 Plus has already received the Pie update. Also, if I compare this device with the Redmi 6 Pro, which also falls in the same price segment, so according to me, Nokia 5.1 Plus is better than Redmi 6 Pro. Not because I'm having it, but I have a few reasons. Because Nokia 5.1 Plus is an Android One device. That is, you will get two major Android updates. Being a developer, I love Android updates. And if I talk about the processor of both the phones, Redmi 6 Pro comes with Snapdragon 625 chipset, which is not the latest one, and it's a 14 nanometer chipset, while the Nokia 5.1 Plus comes with MediaTek Helio P60, which is a 12 nanometer chipset, and it's a efficient processor. That's it from my side, guys. If you like the video, do hit the thumbs up icon and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.